Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. This morning we're going to do cranberry cream cheese, and it's real easy. It doesn't take very long to do it, but it's very pretty on the table and tastes good too. First we're going to use whipping cream. We're using 8 ounces of whipping cream, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. You know, I like Duke's mayonnaise. To me, I think it's wonderful. Now we're going to just take a electric hand mixer and mix this up real good. We're really not trying to do a lot with that whipping cream. We're just trying to thicken it up a little bit. The next thing we're going to do now is mix 1 cup of chopped pecans. That's not thick enough. It's got to be like creamy enough to go between slices of cranberry. You're making like a sandwich. And this is the cream that goes in between it. We're going to look at that now and see how thick that is. I believe it's thick enough now. We're going to take a knife and go around this. Now, this needs to be cool too. I've left this cranberry sauce. It's just a cranberry jelly, and I've left it in the refrigerator so it'll be cool because you're going to be cutting it. We're going to cut this in 1/4 inch maybe. This is a real pretty dish to go on your table. Of course, when we have meals, we have buffet style, and I just set a table in the kitchen, but always decorate that table too, so this is really pretty on your table that you're going to serve it off of. Now what we do next is take our filling. We're just making little sandwiches out of this. This is real tasty too. Oh, we made a big mess here. If you want to cut these in 2 and just serve half of that, you can do that too, see? Just any way you want to, but they're good. They taste real good. Now that our little cranberry cheese sandwiches are finished, it's real easy. Didn't you think it was? I hope you try it, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do for Thanksgiving. It makes a real pretty dish on the table. Thanks for watching.